Welcome back to Checkout Connected channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rename your payment method option for wholesale customers in your Shopify wholesale store. So, for example, for there are some customers, or you need to rename the bank deposit into something like wholesale wholesale bank deposit, wholesale customers bank deposit, which will give the customers will be more easier to understand. Or if you have any other terms to get any other conditions where you need to have for particular customers, you need to show uh, a different name for bank deposit or any other payment methods, or you need to show a different name for different countries, people who are purchasing. So that can be also done, right? So I'll show you how you can change the name. Then you'll be able to add the different conditions. That's be easier, right? So you can use the PTB wholesale discount app, which allows different type of order limits, also discounts, shipping rates, and payment rules, everything in one app. So you can use this app for your wholesale uh, management, right? So after installing the app, you can search just BTB on the Shopify App Store and you'll able to see the app, right? I also attach the app link in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you have the section payment rules, right? You can create a new payment rule. So what we're doing is that's we can give a title, rename bank deposit. Right. So we'll have an idea about what we'll be doing here. Then it'll be easier for you and you can make the rule. So we are rename bank deposit to wholesale bank deposit. Wholesale, we can say wholesale VAP bank deposit. Make it something complex. This will give you an idea. When order total is greater than means it's greater than, let's say, $3,000, right? And this will give you an idea what you'll be doing. So you need the customers with has a VAP tag. So VAP tag, customer with VAP tag, and the total amount which will be greater than 3,000, right? Then we'll rename the payment method. So we'll give the existing one. This is the bank deposit, right? The existing one, and we change to wholesale VAP bank deposit, right? And here you can see the rule. You can actually check how it's working or not. When the customer has VAP tag and the total amount is greater than $3,000, then we'll rename the bank deposit to bank deposit VAP. Wholesale VAP bank deposit. Then you can see the changes. So now we're done. So it will automatically works when a VIP tag customer and they have at least $3,000 in their order card. This will give the customers a boost on your wholesale store. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.